Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the keep screen on function on the Notewise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and just click to the settings icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and in the notes section, the second section, you can find a third option to keep screen on. Screen will stay awake when notes are open. New, actually I use this function, but if you want to turn off, just click that next white circle, and if it will be turned red, this function will be disabled. And if you want to turn on, just click that and it will turn be blue. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.